Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Earth and Space Sciences test? This is test number 5572. Praxis 5572 is an exam with several subtopics. This problem set covers the subtopic of astronomy. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Scientists believe Earth has a tilted axis because it was hit by a very large planet-like object a long time ago. Which of the following is the name of this theory? Big Bang theory, giant impact hypothesis, interstellar hypothesis, or solar nebula hypothesis? Beginning there. The solar nebula hypothesis explains the formation of the solar system, not specifically the tilted axis of Earth. So we can cross that out. The interstellar hypothesis is not a recognized theory related to Earth's tilted axis, so that is incorrect as well. Going to the Big Bang theory, this explains the origin of the universe, not Earth's tilted axis, so that is incorrect as well. Giant impact hypothesis. This theory suggests that Earth's tilted axis and the formation of the moon resulted from a collision with a Mars-sized body named Theia. So this is the correct answer. Problem number 2. Which of the following is true regarding Sun-Earth-Moon interactions? When the moon is directly between the sun and the Earth, it is called a lunar eclipse. This actually describes a solar eclipse, not a lunar eclipse, so we can eliminate that. When the sun is directly between the moon and Earth, it is called a solar eclipse. The sun cannot be between the moon and the Earth. That's not physically possible, so we can cross that out as well. When the sun and the moon form a right angle to Earth, it is called a solar eclipse. This actually describes the quarter moon phase and not an eclipse. When the Earth is directly between the sun and the moon, it is called a lunar eclipse. This is true. This occurs when the Earth is directly between the sun and the moon, causing the Earth's shadow to fall on the moon, making it appear darkened. And thus, it is the correct answer. Problem number 3. When a red supergiant undergoes a supernova, it becomes which of the following? A red giant, a white dwarf, a black hole, or a protostar? A protostar is a very early stage of star formation, not the result of a supernova, so that is incorrect. Now to red giant. This is also an earlier stage in stellar evolution, not a result of a supernova. A white dwarf. This forms from less massive stars that do not undergo a supernova. Red supergiants are too massive to end as white dwarfs. So that is not correct. A black hole. If the remnant core of the red supergiant after the supernova is massive enough, it will collapse under its own gravity to form a black hole. So that is the correct answer. Problem number 4. A white star has a surface temperature of 8,000 Kelvin. In which of the following classifications does it belong? Class O, Class A, Class G, or Class M? Class M, these stars are cooler with surface temperatures below 3,700 Kelvin and are red in color, so it's not Class M. Class G, these stars have surface temperatures between 5,200 Kelvin and 6,000 Kelvin and are yellow in color, so it's not that either. Class O, these stars are much hotter with surface temperatures above 30,000 Kelvin and are blue in color, so it's not that. Class A. Stars in this classification have surface temperatures between approximately 7,500 Kelvin and 10,000 Kelvin, which corresponds to a white color. And that is the correct answer. I hope I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of astronomy for the Praxis 5572 Earth and Space Science exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.